Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to analyze VRA, Veracity, and what's next for VRA. Specifically, what can we expect in coming few weeks or months. So if you haven't seen my previous videos of Veracity, I request you to kindly see that video. We have done 2 or 3 times different analysis of Veracity. I think it will help you. So let's jump into Veracity. And if you are following me on Twitter, you must be aware I had shared this tweet on 1st of May. Gentle reminder, VRA is changing gears. So VRA correction is over according to me. And now it's changing gears. It's consolidating before its next leg up. So let's see today whether the correction is over or can we still expect more. Guys, this is just to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. Do not make any of your investment decisions on what I say. So in front of us is a Veracity BTC chart. As you can see, all our previous markings are there. And let me delete this. So this was the correction that happened. I'm just deleting every old marking. So as we can currently see, according to me, this area becomes very important. This is a USDT chart, and until we are holding this, this is right now very important. This is a pivot point. That's almost 3.5 cents. That's an important area to hold, which it is holding. So I tweeted correction is over on 1st May over here somewhere. Because if we see, then this is a new uptrend which it has started. And unless and until it holds this, it goes for higher highs. Or it might take some time to consolidate, move sideways, and then go. So these are the two possibilities that can happen for Veracity. With Bitcoin volatility right now, Bitcoin is ranging and Ethereum pumping so hard. I think all mid caps like Veracity will move rather sideways and then go up. But once they stable, then this looks like it's ready for its next leg up, in my opinion. I had in fact even shared one tweet that new target for Veracity is $0.15, because I can see VRA at least going up to 15 cents, and it's unlocked in my chart. So why I'm telling you this is because now this has become a pivot point, in my opinion. Again, this is a purely my view. It's not a rule. So do not just blindly follow me. But if we can see this, then this is a strong area of consolidation. This entire range from its all-time high till now, this entire range, This is the range or channel in which VRA is consolidating between 3.5 cents to 5.5 cents. So, except if we forget this deviation, which was majorly because of the Bitcoin correction, and hence it also rebounded very well. So, it is basically holding this range. This is the range in which I see it playing. And hence, this range now becomes a very good consolidation range before its next leg up. So, whenever it breaks, either it breaks within next few days or few weeks or few months, I don't know. But whenever it breaks, I think the next leg up would create a wave that it can go till at least here. This is what I see it going. See, let's analyze the previous wave, okay, from here. So this was the consolidation. Consider this as a consolidation, the kind of consolidation we are in right now. You can see this was the consolidation. In fact, right now we are in a better consolidation. This was a consolidation. And once it broke this range, say from here, this was the range. So once it broke this range, then you can see the wave. This was the wave that it created. Went from here, next, and then all-time high. So this impulse move, this wave, this parabolic move can happen again once it breaks its consolidation, its previous all-time high. Once it breaks 5 cents, I can see it going, replacing this wave, and this will be this time slightly bigger wave. So I can see it hitting at least 15 cents, if not more, in this bull run. This is the least that it can happen. So once it breaks, this is the wave. This is what can happen. Again, this is purely my assumption. So this is what I see for Veracity to happen. Of course, it won't go directly to 15 cents in one go. There'll be different resistance in between. And I will share all these resistance in between on our free Telegram group. So make sure you are subscribed to my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description of this video. So this is what I see Veracity doing for its next leg up. But it is very important for it to hold this. And I think it will hold, because this, if it corrected what it had to during the Bitcoin correction. But if at all it breaks, then this is the next support for Veracity against USDT. So if it breaks this, then around 2.5 cents is the next support, which we can see did very well in this correction. So these are the two areas which you can look for. If you're planning to enter Veracity, I think this is a good time to enter as it's consolidating. And if at all it breaks down because of any market correction, then I think this is the next support where you can find it holding well. So this is very clear to me. In my opinion, this is what can happen. Let us add moving averages to see what's happening right now. Look at this. Let me delete this. Look at the moving averages. This is a 10 MA. It broke 10 MA and it was acting as resistance. Right now it's acting as support. Even while coming down, 10 MA is as support. This is the support of 10 MA. So this is nothing but bullish. And entire wave, look at this parabolic move. This parabolic move was because it was holding 10 MA as support, and it is holding 10 MA as support right now also. So as long as 10 MA is as support, it can go for its next move anytime. So even if it breaks 10 MA as support, which it did over here, 50 MA you see was holding as a very good support. So except for this spike, 50 MA was as a big support, and which currently 50 MA has also come up. So this is a sign that it's a positive sign that even 50 MA is coming up. So even 100 MA is coming up. So the consolidation is happening very well, and it's happening very strong. And since it's holding the 10 MA also well, I think we can expect a next move very soon, unless and until we are above this 10 MA. So this is a positive sign. Let us look at Veracity BTC. So again, this was the previous analysis. So as you can see, let me delete this. As you can see that the correction, this correction was over, and now it's almost similar to the USDT chart, but this is looking a better chart than USDT in fact. So this is the support at around 6,000 satoshis. This is the support in which it is consolidating. This support is holding, except for this Bitcoin correction, this move, it's holding this support. So very similar to USDT chart. So in fact, if it does similar to what it's doing against USDT, if it does same move against BTC, then I think we can expect a higher price in terms of dollar, because I think ultimately Bitcoin will also start moving upwards. So this entire move happened along with the Bitcoin move. You see, from February till April is when even Bitcoin did 2x. And this entire move happened with Bitcoin moving ahead. So I think again, even if Bitcoin moves ahead, this will start moving up once it breaks this channel. So similar pattern looks like for the BTC pair also. So I'll share both the targets for the USDT as well as BTC on our Telegram group. So make sure you're subscribed to the group. And since it's looking very similar to USDT, there isn't much that we can do in this BTC analysis also. Let's see the moving averages. And if we see the moving averages, just look at this. It's holding 10 MA in the BTC pair as well. You see, it's so similar to the USDT pair. In fact, this deviation, this correction was heavier in the USDT pair. It's not that heavy in this BTC pair, but it's currently holding 10 MA. So this is an extremely good looking chart. And once we break this consolidation, we can go for the first or the second attempt to break its all-time high. And then we can go for a higher high. This can happen. Or it can break even in the first attempt, because this is a good consolidation. From 30th March till today's, that's almost 34, 35 days. This has been a good consolidation. So this is a good support that it's holding. The next support is here. This is the next support at around 4,900 to 5,000 satoshis. if at all it comes down. This is the next support. So guys, I think once we break this, we are going for a next wave. And as I showed you over here, I expect Veracity to at least go to 15 cents once it start moving for its next leg up. Of course, it won't happen in one go or not immediately, but the way we saw this entire move, I think this same move can happen over here, and we'll at least go to 15 cents. So this is what I think is in store for Veracity in the next leg. I hope you guys got something out of this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want me to make more such videos about Veracity and all the other crypto assets. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Good night. Take care.